So hi guys, for today's video is balikan ninyo kaya mag-celebrate me sa akong birthday together with my family and my husband's family and some of my friends. So, karon pa na kayo celebrate akong birthday guys. Kaya it's Holy Week. So, dili mo pwede mag-kaon og daghan ka. So, our first agenda before me mo adto sa venue is magpalit sa og cake. So, since naram mi sa uptown, dili lang sa mi magpalit og cake sa Charmaine's kay convenient kaayo. Kay pwede ra ka mag-drive-thru, di pa? Di na kailangan mag-park and then mag-buy og cake. So, yeah. And I mean, nag-drive-thru na may og cake. It's very convenient, good guys. I really, really like it. The idea nga na I drive-thru. So, nahuman na may og palit. And then, mato na din mi sa venue. After a few minutes, we finally arrived sa venue. So, dire din mi mag-dinner sa Lighthouse. My husband rented the whole function room for only 1,000 pesos, which is very sulit na kayo. And then, a minimum of 30 packs and a maximum of 100 bucks. So, di ba, dako kayo ang venue, guys. And then, kailangan ninyo huruton ang food, charit. By the way, per plate din siya ang bayaran gyapon din. Which is good na pud baya. Diba, lami mo pud ang food din sa Lighthouse. Diba, daghan kay tanan. And it's very yummy. So, thank you so much for my husband for the idea and for organizing this event. Charit, I love you so much. Here's the dessert area, guys. And then after that, nagpray lang dayon ang akong papa before me mag-start og eat.
Birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday.
After nila nagkanta guys, nag-wish and then nag-blow lang din ko sa akong cake. And thankful to God kiniabot ko aning edad. So yeah, I'm so grateful nga I'm old. Charet. So nagkaon lang din me and that's my husband. Thank you so much for everything and for organizing this. So during aside ng ako ang cousins or my husband's cousin and sister. So, hi to my vlog, Mama and Papa. It's so dark. I don't know why it's so dark. Bahala na basta. Kaya na sila nandua. And then, that's my sister and her husband. That's my sister-in-law and that's Lola there. Kuya James. And then, so happy kinangaon sila, diba? And my husband is making his halo-halo. That's the dessert. And then, that's my husband. See that? Is making halo-halo.
It's her birthday, oh she's the one, lighting up the night like the midnight sun. Can't come halfway, no not today. For this queen on the throne, we all make way. Go diva, you see her, make room for the queen. It's her birthday, it's her birthday. Go diva, you see her, make room for the queen. It's her birthday, it's her birthday. Go diva, you see her, make room for the queen. It's her birthday, it's her birthday.
So that's Marian saying hi to the vlog with Ishi. So thanks for coming to my birthday celebration. Bisan og taga downtown na mo. So, nahuman na sila og pangaon guys and then nagchika-chika na lang dayon me before sila mag-go home pero ipabalik pagin ako sila kaon. Si, di ba si Upaw nagbalik-balik siya og kaon which is good kay para mahurot. And then that's Francis and then say hi to Ed and Vanessa. Welcome home Ed. And then naka-join pagin siya sa akong birthday celebration which is so good, di ba? And then after that, nagpicture-picture lang dayon ko. And then, nag-picture taking together with the whole family. And then, sa friends. And then, sa akong gifts. Thank you so much, guys. And then, guys, nag-celebrate na din ko sa akong birthday last April 2. Kaya moment yun ang original birthday na ako. That's together with my friends. And then, my husband. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching to my mini vlog. Bye-bye. Love, love. Mwah, mwah.